Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Guys, in today's video I'm working with Yesstyle. They have kindly sent me over some products to do a Christmas, New Year's party inspired makeup look, and this is the look that I've come up with today using their products. So Yesstyle is a Korean based brand, and their packaging on their products, guys, they're just amazing. I can't wait for you guys to see. I have done this Christmas party inspired makeup look using the products they've kindly sent me over. So I will link my codes and links down in the description box for you guys to check out if you're interested in any of the products that I'm using today. I've also used some of my own products that are not with Yesstyle, but I haven't mentioned them in the video, but I will link them down below for you guys if you're interested. So this is the big bag of goodies that Yesstyle sent over to me, and the first products we're going to be using out of this bag, guys, is this product right here. So this is their eyeshadow palette. So this is the Unleasher Glitter Pedia. I think that's how I'm pronouncing it. I'm really sorry. It is a Korean brand, so some of these I'm not going to be able to pronounce very well, but I will put them up on screen so you guys can see for yourself. And when I open this, guys, it is the most cutest packaging. Like, look at that packaging. It is so beautiful. It screams to me Christmas. We have this little palette here from Unleasher. I think that's how you pronounce it. And we've got like a nudie brown colour, we've got some pinks and berries, we've got a yellow, we've got like a lavender shifty purple in there. Let me get it all sorted. So this yellow one here, it's like a beautiful goldy yellow shimmer, and this one is called Love Action. The one next to that is called Pink Aurora. This one is quite a light, like champagne-y colour. And then we have Coral Beach, which is like this pink coral, which is that shade there. And then next to that we have Evening Sangria, which is this beautiful pink. Oh, it is so beautiful. We've got Soda Crush, which is like this pressed glitter in the middle. These are so buttery. So the next shade is this one, and it's called Ice Blue Ocean, and oh my god, guys, these are so buttery, but it's so gorgeous. We then have this brown, which is a matte brown, and this is called Coconut Aid, and it is quite a sheer, it's not really a dark brown, it's quite a sheer brown. We then have this one that's called Hot Bikini, and it's like a nice matte berry tone. So we might use that one today. Last one is called Peach Pit, and that's a gorgeous berry like shimmer. I'm gonna pick up the Coral Beach shade, and I'm gonna pop that all into my crease. And then to make it a bit Christmassy, we're gonna go into that Hot Bikini, which is that really hot pinky red, and just pat that in the outer corner. I want a little bit of red, just to give it a little bit of depth. So I'm going to carve out the crease, guys, using a little bit of concealer. So I think we're going to use Soda Crush on the main part, which is all that glitter. And it is a beautiful glitter. So I'm just going to press that down. And I hope that's coming off on camera, because that is such a beautiful, you've got like big chunks of glitter and then little chunks of glitter, and that's what the eyes are looking like so far, guys, and I really like that. So guys, the next products I'm going to be using from Yesstyle is this from Touch in Soul, and it's a No Problem Hybrid Primer. So it's a pore filling primer. Obviously I can't read a word it says because it's all in Korean, but to me it's a pore filling primer. So we're just going to pop this on. Very beautiful packaging. It's very simple. It is a glass bottle. So it basically said enhanced pore covering top secret makeup primer. You get 30 mils in this. It's all in Korean in the back. So we're just going to pop it on. It's got a little pump, so we'll pop So it's like a thick consistency. It's lightly scented, like a light perfume scent. Nothing too over the top. So it goes out into like a moisturiser. So I'm just going to pop it on as I normally would. It feels really, really nice. Moisturising on the skin. I can smell the perfume coming through it. It's only very lightly scented though. It's nothing too crazy. It's not tacky. It's not got that tacky feeling. It's made my skin feel really, really smooth. So the next one that I'm really, really excited about using, guys, their foundation. It is the cutest packaging. So it's from Merry Mode Cake Cushion. I've got the shade 03 Sand. Obviously, with it being a Korean brand, it's very, very lightweight. So it's a lightweight foundation. It's also the shades. I thought when it said sand, I was like, oh my God, this is not going to be my shade at all. I swatched it last night just to be 100% sure, and the shade's perfectly fine. Basically, we get in the box, we get a refill of the foundation. We get this cute little topper to go on top of the actual packaging. So I'm going to put that on because it's cute. It's just the cutest packaging. It's like a little birthday cake, basically. So it's from Merry Mode. You literally lift up the lid and you've got a little powder puff in the middle. We then have the secure bit on there, a little bit of ASMR. That was super satisfying. I hope it was satisfying for you too. So I'm going to put the little powder puff on my hand into foundation. I don't know if I'm going to get on with this little sponge because it is so tiny and it keeps coming off my fingers. I think the little sponge is literally not the one. So I'm going to use my normal sponge. Comparison. No foundation or anything. It is a really nice. So the foundation, it's more like a skin tint for me. It's very light, it's very sheer coverage, but it looks nice. It looks nice and healthy on the skin, and I really like it, guys. It is beautiful. It's hidden my acne scarring and a few spots. I've got a spot down here and it's hidden that very nicely. So I probably would wear this on a daily basis, to be honest, like a daytime foundation. And then the last product that I'm going to be using out of the bag from Yesstyle is this little contour pack. So this is McQueen New York grey brown contouring kit. So we have 3 different shades of the contour. Probably just going to use this shade. I don't normally contour, but yeah, it is very, very cool toned for myself. I'm just going to pop that on anyway. And then a little bit down the nose. I'm not one really for contouring because I don't know how to do it. But we've used it and it's nice, it's lovely. But it's not something that I tend to use a lot, but it's got me those cheekbones. So I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back, guys. So guys, this is the Christmas look, Christmas party look that I've come up with using Yesstyle products. The products are absolutely beautiful from Yesstyle. They're Korean based, so they are very natural, lightweight makeup products. But I've absolutely loved doing this video today. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you have, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're updated every single time I upload a new video, which is all the time at the moment. And I hope you have a fabulous Christmas and enjoy your Christmas party. And I love to see your guys' looks. So if you follow me on Instagram, then send me your looks over, what you're doing for Christmas party season. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you all.